In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use Magic Design in Canva. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Canva's AR-powered Magic Design tool is a revolutionary solution for individuals and businesses seeking to effortlessly create stunning design templates. With its AI-driven capabilities, this tool streamlines the design process, enabling users to produce professional-quality visuals with minimal effort. To access Magic Design, users can simply navigate to the Templates tab on the left menu of Canva's interface. Upon clicking Try Magic Design, the Magic Design toolbar becomes available. Uploading media is a breeze, as users can click Insert Media and select their desired image or video. Magic Design then goes to work, leveraging AI algorithms to analyze the content's style and generate templates tailored to the uploaded media. These templates encompass a variety of formats, including Instagram and Facebook posts, and are designed with complementary colors and relevant text. The full suite of templates is accessible to Canva Pro subscribers, further enhancing the platform's value. One of Magic Design's standout features is its capacity to save time through its automated analysis and template generation processes. Users can further refine their designs by customizing templates. As we progress through each step, I encourage you to join our channel as a member to support our content creation journey. Your support is what allows us to bring you high-quality videos like this one. Once satisfied with their selections, users can proceed to See Results and enter the Canva editor to fine-tune their templates. Here, they have the freedom to adjust fonts, wording, and even add graphics and animations to achieve the desired look. The final result is a customized template that can be previewed, downloaded, and used for effective social media marketing. Canva's AR-powered Magic Design tool is a game-changer for anyone looking to elevate their design game with the help of AI-driven efficiency and creativity. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications.